Hey ladies, okay, so I'm going to show you our Flawless 4, which is this month's Kudos. All of this for $99. You save 40 bucks. Okay, that is awesome. So I've already put on the primer, a pea-sized amount, put it in your hands, and then all over your face, okay? And rub that in really, really, really good. You want to let that soak into all your pores so your makeup does not, okay? So the primer keeps your makeup on all day long, makes your makeup more vibrant, makes your eyeshadows really pop. This is probably my favorite product that we have is the Glorious Face and Eye Primer, okay? So that is already on my face. Next, we're going to do the liquid foundation. Now, if you have blemishes, you're going to cover up your blemishes before your foundation. If you want to highlight and contour with a concealer, you're going to do that after your foundation, okay? I'm blessed with pretty decent skin, so we are going to do that afterwards, okay? So make sure to shake your foundation really, really, really well. It's like an eyedropper. You're going to squeeze the top. You're going to put 3 little dots on your brush. You're going to dab cheek, cheek, forehead, nose, chin, and just blend it all in. This brush is so soft and nice. They're made to last a lifetime. I wash my brushes probably once every 10 days or so with baby shampoo, okay? Then you want to let them air dry on a towel. Some of the bigger brushes take a full day to dry, so I normally wash them after I'm done putting on my makeup in the morning, and then they're dry and ready to go the next day. Okay. Okay, so just blend that all in. If you have problem skin, problem areas, do 3 more dabs on your brush and do that same exact process again. Okay, you want to blend it down into your neck. We don't want any makeup lines. Okay. It's a liquid that dries to powder and it is so nice. Okay. So now we're going to use our concealer. And I'm going to highlight underneath my eyes with this. So this is Organza concealer and I use Taffeta foundation. So I just use it on our little blending bud. You can kind of see I just have just a little bit there. Okay. When we highlight underneath of our eyes, you're going to make like a triangle. Okay. Okay, and then with this blending bud, you're just going to dab, 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 dab. You do not want to rub with it. The blending buds can be used wet or dry. If you use them wet, run them underneath the water, squeeze all the water out, then your makeup sits on the outside of the sponge and does not absorb into it. Okay. Tell the difference there, just kind of hides those dark circles underneath your eyes if you're really tired. Some people just have naturally dark circles underneath their eyes for no given reason. They could have got 10 hours of sleep and they're still there, okay? So this will kind of hide it. So we're going to make a triangle. Okay, and then just blend it on in. Blend, 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 blend. Now you can use the darker concealer to like contour with too. But that is the Flawless 4. I am offering a special by the Flawless 4. Then go ahead and message me after you order it, or you can message me to order it as well, and then I'll give you a single item for half price. Alrighty ladies, have a good Friday.